Breakfast is a low carb cheese grill. I used the low carb bread. I made a cheese grill with a little bit of kielbasa and beef bacon, and that's mustard. Alright everybody, I wanted to show you guys what the turkey wings and the legs are looking like. They've been in the slow cooker for 6-7 hours. So I'm gonna get ready to turn those around, and we're gonna saute up some kale, onions, and peppers to go on the side. Hey, little baby, you can't have onions or garlic. I know it smells good, but you can't have any. You can't have any. Huh? So cute. So I have about 2 tablespoons of olive oil right here in my pan. I have it on medium-high heat, just trying to get it nice and hot so we can saute these peppers, onions, and kielbasa sausage. I'm just going to saute these down until they're nice and caramelized. This is going to go with our kale. So shortly here, I'm going to add the kale and just saute everything down until it's nice and tender. Then we'll add some seasonings, and this will be our side to go with the turkey. All right, everybody, so this is pretty much what it looks like when it's about done. Everything is nice and tender. The onions and peppers are nice and translucent. Everything is just, it looks so yummy. So right here, I'm melting a couple of slices of mozzarella cheese on the top. And that's pretty much it, guys.